gonna put a little more pep in her step. We're dropping one tooth in the front.
What about a tooth?
One tooth. You see how these have teeth?
Uh-huh.
When you drop one tooth in the front, it's equal to going up 3 teeth in the back.
Oh.
So this will give you more low end power. It won't go as fast at the top, but it will get up to speed faster.
Does that mean I can do wheelies?
I don't know, can you?
I don't know. I'm better on regular bicycles than dirt bikes.
Well, really? Oh yeah, it's one tooth. So that's, I guess this one is kind of rough, but that's alright. On a big bike, I wouldn't do this. Yeah, because I had just bought this one for Jackson's bike, but now it goes like 55 miles an hour, which I don't know if I'm real thrilled about that.
I believe this goes 39.
It won't go 39 anymore. Yeah, it'll go less, but it'll get there a lot quicker. It'll be more fun like this, trust me. How often do you go like wide open?
Not often.
Yeah.
So you're tightening the chain?
Not yet. Yeah, we're loosening the axle so that we can tighten the chain. You want it to be able to move like 2 fingers. And you see these grooves here?
Yeah.
That's how you know that it's even on both sides. Because you don't want the bike to be straight and the tire to be cockeyed. So you have to make sure that the marks, you count on each side and see where it's at. You gotta get it like pretty close to even. You got enough ass to put the ball. You gotta time it, look. Down. Actually, you're probably going to need both feet. But the proper way to do it is you hold the bike back, you put your right foot, that way you're covering your brake, and you do this. No, you don't have to jerk. Just like sink your heels into the ground. Both of them. Hold it. No, not in front of the foot pegs. Yeah, there you go. Now just hold it slowly, give it gas. Have to jerk. You just have to hold the bike back, and it'll.
What gear is it in?
Oh, are you in first gear? No, you weren't in first. Yeah. Make sure your feet are. Yeah, there you go. Like that.
Practice that. Make sure it's in first. There you go. There you go. Keep doing that. Do it from the start. You gotta. There you go. There you go. There you go.